There is something strange happening in academia right now. Everyone's talking about AI detection tools that claim that they can tell if your text was written by a human or by AI. But if you actually use these tools, you'd already know the truth. They often get it wrong. I've seen completely human written essays marked as AI and some AI generated text passed as human. So today, let's look at why these detectors struggle, what recent evidences say about their accuracy, and also show you a quick demo using the popular tools. AI detection tools were meant to protect academic integrity, but most of them were trained on general text like blogs, social media, news articles. So when they meet academic writing full of references, formal language, structured reasoning, they misfire. This is why researchers, students, and even journals are facing growing frustration. High false positives, where human work is flagged as AI, domain mismatch, because they don't understand the scholarly tone, and constant lag. New AI models evolve faster than detectors can catch up. Recently, SciSpace they published a study comparing its AI detectors to others like GPT-Zero, ZeroGPT, Grammarly, Quillbot. And in the study, they tested 4,000 samples, including research papers, essays, news, and summaries generated by models like Cloud, Gemini, and OpenAI. The key findings of the study say that SciSpace scored the highest, and it shows around 96% accuracy on research papers, while other detectors like Grammarly and Quillbot performed much lower. But for now, let's test and do some experimentation in the real time. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use a short paragraph written by me, completely human, and I'll run this through these five AI detectors and see and compare the outputs and maybe also verify the claims made in the study. So let's get started. So the first tool I'm going to take up is SciSpace. So I visit the tool, select AI detector, and this window opens up. From this, here it has options to upload a PDF or input text. There are some examples also, which you can use to analyze. But for now, I'm going to paste my own text, what I have written, an introduction of a paragraph on pharmacovigilance, and I'm going to put it in the box. Since my work is scientific, I'm going to select scientific and click on analyze. Okay, and the tool is quite precise. It says that the text is 0% AI and seemingly 100% human. But mind you, SciSpace isn't just for AI detection. It is now having one of the most powerful AI research assistants available, the SciSpace Agent, like a ready to use expert. So, if you don't want to craft prompts or probably don't know how to, you can just pick up from the agent gallery. And these are like those specialized mini agents for tasks like literature review, methodology comparison, grant writing, uh, any kind of report generation, graph making, PowerPoint presentation, and much more. There is no prompt engineering needed. You can select from the different agents available or create your own domain specific agent. Now, for this video, I'm going to use the agent to show you on how I create a systematic literature review for my topic. So, I quickly put in the search the topic of what I want to work for now and run the search. So the tool takes some time to perform the task and it gives you a detailed stepwise structure of what steps it has carried out. It gives you a Prisma report and including the search criteria. Along with that, a report of the review. Now, the text which it generates is well backed by authentic sources. Every answer includes clickable citations. So you can click on the citations and it gives you the information about the paper, it gives you the abstracts there, and also the references. Now, what I like here the more is I can now even bookmark and save these papers. So this way I'm able to organize everything directly into my SciSpace library. So as you see, if I bookmark this and when I revisit my collection, I can see that the paper which I bookmarked appears here. From my experiences, I would definitely recommend each one of you to give the tool a must try. Next tool which I'm going to take up is ZeroGPT. So this is how the tool looks. It here gives you to paste the text directly, or you can even upload a file. And again, this tool takes some time to detect your text and gives you the report. The tool says my text is likely human written and it may include parts by AI, which is like 33%. Okay. Next up, I'm going to talk about Quillbot. So in this, again, it has even language options. You can input your text in different languages. Here again, the result says that my text is 29% likely AI, which is again not that correct because it is all 100% human. And let's take up Grammarly. Grammarly, again, you have to put it your text in this box and check for AI. In some time, the tool is reading and it shows that my work is 23% AI written, which is again, this tool doesn't even show which parts it says that it is AI and which parts are human. And lastly, I'm going to take up GPT-Zero. So I'm going to paste my text, go through the scan, and the tool says, okay, so the tool says that my okay, so this tool says again that it is uh, quite sure that it is 100% human. So here's what I would say after testing. SciSpace does seem to perform better, but no detector should ever be treated as final proof. Try your own writing, compare across tools, and see how they interpret your text. Try it yourself. Thanks for watching.